Hello guys, welcome to the Sim Hunters. In this video, let's discuss about file permission in the Linux, mastering Linux file permissions. Coming to the introduction, file permissions in Linux are a crucial aspect of ensuring the security and integrity of a system. These permissions determine who can access, modify or execute a file. There are three types of permissions: read, write and execute. These permissions can be set for three different groups: the owner of the file, the group that file belongs to, and all the other users. So now let's see the permission levels. The permission levels are represented by series of numbers. The first number represents the owner's permission, the second represents the group permission, and the third represents all the other users' permissions. Each permission is assigned a value. Read is 4 and write is 2 and execute is 1. To assign permissions, you add up the values for each permission and then add them together. For example, if the owner has read and write permissions, their value would be 6 bracket 4 plus 2 close bracket. So now let's see changing permissions. To change the permissions of a file, you use the chmod command followed by the desired permission level and the name of the file. For example, to give the owner read, write and execute permissions, you would use the command chmod 700 file name. You can also change permissions for a group by using the chgroup command followed by the desired group name and the name of the file. For example, to change the group of a file to developers, you would use the command chgroup developers file name. So now let's see what are the special permissions. There are two special permissions that can be set on a file, that is set UIDs and set GIDs. Set UID allows a user to execute a file as if they were the owner of the file, while set GID allows a user to create files with the same group ownership as the parent directory. To set these permissions, you use the chmod command followed by the desired permission level and the name of the file. For example, to set that set UID permission on a file, you would use the command chmod u plus s file name. Now let's see what are the default permissions. By default, new files and directories inherit the permissions of their parent directory. This can be changed by using unmask command to set a different default permission level. The unmask value is subtracted from the maximum permission value to determine the default permission level. For example, if the unmask value is 022, the default permission level will be 755 open bracket 777 hyphen 022. So now let's see the file permissions in Linux. So here let's open mkdir cyber, now ls. So the cyber main directory has been created. Now in that, let's open this cd cyber. Now in this, just type any of the information, hello, hi or something, and control plus D. Now let's change the directory. Yes, now let's see cyber, and here in cyber directory a file has been created that is called file. Now let's use this chmod a-r cyber. So now let's type cd cyber, then let's, yes, so this cannot open directory, the permission has denied. Now let's just type exit. Now let's see, the permission has been denied. No, now let's see chmod, then use this number as I said before and cyber. Right? Now su Kali. Now type cd cyber. Then, as I said before, open ls file. So, as you can see here, by using this 755, the permission has been accessed. But here, using the normal command and options, the permission has been denied. So, this is how you change the file permissions. Now, ls file, right? So, we'll open, now let's type exit. So, this is how the file permissions work in the Linux. Now, let's see the conclusion. File permissions are a critical aspect of Linux security. Understanding how to set and modify permissions is essential for maintaining the integrity of your system. By following best practices for file permissions, you can ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive files and directories and prevent accidental or malicious modification or deletion of important data.